everybody, and welcome back to our channel. Today we are,
Too much.
Threw me right off. We thought we would sit down with you guys in our tiny house on wheels and walk you through a gift guide for the particular folk that we are.
Particular folk that you are.
Yes, or that your friends
is.
are. It is the holidays, so of course this is coming to you for those last minute Christmas shoppers, which I've always been one of them. We still have quite a bit to do. But honestly, it can be used year round if you're looking for a birthday gift for someone or a thank you gift for a minimalist, you know?
Housewarming, the possibilities are endless. You can just gift if it's a Monday if you want.
Let's jump into it and start with our first category, which is intangible items.
Intangible.
Intangible items.
Intangible means to not touch.
The first one I've actually never personally used because we are members at a specific gym, but think about ClassPass for someone in your life who might be transient like ourselves, on the road, living van life. This is how we shower, this is how we stay fit, and ClassPass gives you the opportunity to go to any gym, anywhere that's signed up. So you could be in Toronto one day and then drive down to Chicago and go to a fitness class and a yoga studio and a shower and everything in a new city. All for a ClassPass.
Yeah.
I think it's a pretty good idea too. The second one is Audible membership. So you guys have heard us talk about Audible before. It's a great service for downloading books and listening on the go. Whether you have that commuter in your life or someone, again, that's living on the road, we find ourselves listening to so many books and podcasts while we're on the road. So we will leave a link to all of this below.
I thought you were going to say whether you're a commuter or just dyslexic like Eamon, Audible is a great solution.
I think you can read just fine.
Thanks, buddy.
Welcome. You want to do speaking of books?
Yeah. Well, it's hard to do that now. We
Speaking
have
of
an ebook, everybody, in case you didn't know. I just want to quickly say thank you to everyone who's downloaded. I know a lot of you have, and I'm sorry if this is going to sound like a plug, but we do want to mention our ebook.
Shameless plug, come on!
Yeah, just buy our book, basically.
We're so proud of it.
It's 52 plant-based recipes, quick, easy, delicious, and it's awesome. You can put it right on your phone. You can quickly scroll between pages if you want to look up a recipe or a sauce, and also makes a great gift. We actually included a gift option. So when you go to checkout, you can select gift and choose the date which you want to give it to them. So, you know, Christmas morning they can wake up to something delicious and tasty in their inbox.
Yeah, definitely. Great plug.
Thank you. Okay, enough of that.
The next thing is experiences. So my sister, a couple of Christmases ago, gifted me a candle, and inside the candle was this little "I owe you a day at the spa." And ever since then, we've been going to the spa as a Christmas gift to each other, from each other. So you get the gift, she gets the gift. And honestly, in this day and age when we're all so busy, and even when we're together, you're often on your phone checking email or whatever it might be, this day at the spa with her is my most favorite day of the year, or one of my most favorite days of the year.
Most favorite day?
Every day is the best day ever.
Invited?
That's probably why it's my favorite day of the year.
Oh my goodness.
Another idea is, one year I know we gifted your sister a course to photography lessons or pottery lessons, or just something that helps you learn but have an experience together. One of my girlfriends went to like a succulent class the other night.
Honestly, there are so many different classes available. You could do a woodworking course, a mechanic course, which I would personally love.
Clearly, that was very much.
But yeah, that's another great way to like not buy a consumer packaged good.
Along all of those notes, I grew up in the theater with dance and everything. So growing up, my big gift from my parents was always either a concert ticket or a ticket to the theater, the Broadway. I keep saying theater like that.
I'm from the theater, darling.
I grew up in the theater.
Mississauga Country Theater.
But I just loved going to plays growing up and going to concerts, live music.
Or even just the movie theater, right? It doesn't need to be the theater.
Yeah.
It could be just like going to see the new Star Wars movie.
Totally.
Because movies are expensive nowadays.
And it's such a treat to go.
Get them a bowl of popcorn. It's a nice outing. Even though you don't really talk them. Different kind of friend you might gift that one to.
That's
you
true.
know? That awkward uncle? Hey, let's go see a flick.
Something that Eamon and I try to do instead of gifting is we'll go away together or book a weekend getaway, group your siblings and gift your parents a weekend away. Like last year we did for your family. We all went to Prince Edward County in an Airbnb.
Yeah, which wasn't like it's like we got on a plane and it was a huge vacation.
Yeah.
It was, you know, just an Airbnb a few hours away. And, you know, we bought our own groceries and cooked our own meals, but it's still an experience and you're kind of out of the city. So
Yeah.
it was actually really fun.
It was, totally. Oh, buddy, we didn't even talk about gas or grocery cards. Those
Well,
are two big
obviously
ones.
that fits really well if there is a van lifer in mind.
Yes.
Gas. We haven't figured out electric vehicles yet. So gas gets expensive and yeah, it would be a nice treat to be able to fill up your tank on someone else. And then as well as, what was the other one?
A grocery gift card, and
Oh, yeah.
this one, in my opinion, is great for something like Whole Foods. So Eamon and I,
Premium grocery store.
exactly, we never find ourselves shopping at Whole Foods just because it's so expensive, but they do bring in exciting plant-based products that we'd love to try. So getting a gift card and you're on the road and you're in a new city and you can pop into
Trader
Whole Foods.
Joe's.
Oh,
I love Trader Joe's.
snap.
But yeah, like you're saying, like to be able to get like the new cheese or the new product or the new, you know,
It's just a luxury, really.
veggie burger. Yeah,
Or even
it'd be
a
cool.
lunch on them.
Yeah.
You know? Totally. Skincare products can be an awesome gift for people. It's consumable, so it'll be used up. One of my favorites right now is Province Apothecary's clay mask. So you can get them a mask, do a face mask together maybe, bond over, you know, face masking together.
Steam facials.
Steam facials.
My personal favorite.
Kind of segues from skincare, so I'll take the lead on this one, but it would be essential oils for someone like me who mixes and matches them for everything in the house, from cleaning products to diffusing overnight to making a little roller blend that I can roll on my feet for
She
bad
loves this
dreams.
stuff.
I love essential oils, and again, it's consumable. I use them up, and then every season I kind of need a new set, so definitely essential oils are on my list. One stocking stuffer I would highly recommend is the Peppermint Halo from Sage, which is a roll-on. I roll it on the back of my neck. It helps like relieve some stress when I'm dealing with Eamon for too many hours of the day, and yeah.
That's okay.
Okay.
I know what you mean. Also under consumables, we included Snack Box, but this kind of could branch out to any subscription model. Everyone's probably heard of all these different subscriptions for socks or for bow ties or whatever they have nowadays. But I thought Snack Box was a great option. There's a company called Vegan Cuts. They deliver vegan snacks, which is super cool also because there's a lot of these snacks that you can't necessarily get in Canada that you're getting access to, and it gets delivered to your place every month. It's kind of the gift that keeps on giving.
That does lead into the basics section, and you've already covered sock subscription, but that is what we did one year and absolutely loved it. So again, basics like socks never go out of style. We are always running out of socks, and while it would be difficult to gift us a sock subscription because we're not always home or in one place, it's an awesome option for people that you want to gift to.
I wanted to add something in.
Great.
We don't have it written down on the list.
Oh,
But
I love that.
it might go under basics, but I'm not sure.
Okay.
Tools.
Ah.
I get really excited about tools because I like building stuff. And there's always a new tool you can buy. So just maybe that might be helpful for someone watching. You know, if your dad's into building stuff, or if he needs a new drill or sander or whatever.
Or if there's a van lifer about to take on the biggest project of their life.
Yeah, get him a tool.
Get
him
them
a
a
good
tool.
quality Milwaukee, not sponsored tool. I love Milwaukee.
Water bottles. This is another basic that I just feel like you always need to
I feel like that'd be a
upgrade.
great business to get into because everyone loses their water bottles.
Reusable water
Reusable
bottle.
water
Here's the
bottles.
thing about a reusable water bottle. If I get a good quality one, I really care about it deeply.
You try your best,
Yeah.
but you'll still lose it.
and
It's one of those
also-
things you put down in all these weird places,
Yeah.
you know?
But also,
You go try out a gym one place and
ClassPass screws you over.
screw you.
takes it.
Yeah, that's how they're making their money.
No, but I feel like after a certain amount of time, you should switch out the water bottle, no matter how good quality, don't you think? Apparently, like, so much gross stuff lives inside your water bottle.
Oh yeah, I scrub the lid every while.
Every while. Not enough.
Yeah, every week.
Yeah. And also reusable coffee cups. I love my Keep Cup. So
Water
shout out to
bottle.
Keep Cup. Keep the energy up. Keep Cup. Keep the energy up.
Keep cup.
Keep the energy up.
A little bit of a higher ticket item, but we put blender on this list because honestly, if you're plant-based or vegetarian, or even just love cooking in general, a blender is kind of like a staple tool, and getting a good quality blender is such an amazing gift. We got for our engagement present as a gift from a bunch of people,
Yeah.
and it's our absolutely like favorite device. We couldn't live without it.
It's awesome. Towels and bed linens. They sound a little bit boring, but for people like us who
There's no wow factor.
No, but honestly, if I opened up a great pair of new bed sheets, I'd be like, wow, that's freaking perfect.
At the time, you might not, but when you crawl into bed that night, you'll be like, that Margaret, she was pretty sneaky.
I'm pretty thankful for Margaret.
300 thread.
Doesn't need to be crazy, but honestly, just again, one of those things that you could upgrade, donate the old ones or get rid of them, in with the new, and
get them white. Get them white. White sheets. I fucking love white sheets.
When we used to backpack, no matter how cheap the place was, if it didn't have white sheets, Eamon wasn't staying there. So don't buy us colorful. Actually, right now we have some.
I hate them.
Yeah. Okay, the last category to wrap up this gift guide for you is DIY. So you put your skills or your fun, craft loving selves to the test and DIY some gifts. Our first recommendation would actually be from our cookbook. We have these soups in a jars or burger mix.
Buy that book.
Soups in a jar.
Now this is actually great. I was
soups in a jar.
Yeah, keep going.
Yeah, and you layer up all the ingredients, and it's all dry ingredients, and you just need to combine it with water, put it on the stove, and it's such a great gift idea.
So you can literally go to Bulk Barn and buy a bunch of all these ingredients that are in the book, and you can make 10 soup in a jars. You can go ahead and gift that to your mailman or all those people, you know, around the office. And really, I think that's a great gift, you know, for the cost.
Really, I do too.
It's a really good gift, buddy.
And then the last one, I can't take the credit for. I have to throw it over to you, babe. What could they do?
Well, this is just like to get inspired and, you know, take things apart and turn into art.
So basically what I've done here is I had an old camera I picked up at like a flea market for 10 bucks. And I've taken it fully apart. So every single bolt is mixed in here. And then I went to an art store and bought this shadow box. It's got a glass front, nice piece. It was like 40 bucks. And then this is the background. So what I'm gonna do is place this in some fashion and kind of make it look like it's all taken apart.
We're calling it his deconstructive art phase. He's deconstructing lots of things these days. But it's such a great, like, reusable, sustainable way to, like, get rid of old electronics, for example, like a camera.
And you're not limited just to cameras. You know, let your imagination run.
What about your old flip phone, the T9? That might be
That'd be awesome.
One. Yeah.
You know, if you know someone that used to love BlackBerry, take apart a BlackBerry and put it in a nice case. Go to Michael's, buy it's called a shadow box.
I feel like we gave you so many gift ideas. What do you feel?
For free, no problem.
Full free.
Anytime, guys. Anytime.
We hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please make sure you LNC.
Make sure you LNC. That's what the kids are saying these days.
My cousin just taught me that the other day. Apparently, that's
LSC.
like and comment.
Like, subscribe, and comment.
Yeah.
Please subscribe. If there's one thing you're gonna do over this Christmas holiday season, is great at Gmail and subscribe to our channel.
Also, if we missed something that you recommend for minimalists or van lifers or the people in your life, leave it in the comments below, because maybe you can help us do some last minute shopping, because we're a bit afraid that our siblings and family are watching this video and they know what we gifted now. Okay, happy holidays, everybody. Wishing you a very Merry Christmas, and we will see you with a holiday meal on Friday.
All right.
Okay.
Thanks for subscribing.
Bye.
Appreciate it.